If you've ever spilled your drink in your purse, you need to see this bag with 2 cup holders and a water-resistant removable lining. Let's pour an entire iced coffee inside to see what happens. I'm going to dump out the excess and let the stains set in for 24 hours before attempting to clean anything. Wow, there is a lot of coffee stains. Let's remove the interior first so it can be washed. We just need to slide this gray zipper all the way around and gently pull the inside piece away. There's a small drop that got through the inner lining, so let's clean that with a warm, soapy cloth and make sure that it is fully wrung out. This is the same process we would use to clean a non-removable lining like the one inside of the Michelle tote or Diana backpack. Perfect, we got that one out. Now using leather cleaner and a soft terry cloth, let's try to clean the stains on the outside of the bag, gently rubbing in circles. Hopefully we are able to remove any coffee marks. Awesome, we got those out too. Now for the really tough stains, let's clean the removable lining by placing it inside of the washing machine on delicate or gentle cycle with no spin. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Wow, it still needs to air dry, but that is amazing. And now we're good to go. It's like it never even happened.